Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Muhammad Waqas Minhas. I welcome you all once again on my channel. And remember last time I made a video regarding doctor, medical officer, staff nurses, how they can work in Maldives and how they can apply through ministry or any trusted agency. There was very less content about nurses, and I'm gonna make another special video with a nurse who is already working here in Maldives for a long time, and he or she will tell you the specific answers to your specific questions regarding nurses. Generally, things are almost same for staff nurses and doctors, and I've been continuously receiving many of questions, hundreds of questions from everyone who has been watching my video, subscribed or not subscribed, but I felt like my responsibility to answer all of you people questions, and I have been answering on different social media channels, Facebook. Some of people contact me on Facebook, even on WhatsApp, and I have been receiving some emails right now. So what I have decided to make this video to look all other questions which I can't, because most of the questions are similar. So I'll just look at the video which I have made, and we'll scroll through all the questions, and I will start answering each one of them. So you can see a comment which I have pinned, that important question: when we open vacancies on health.government.mv, do they have to fill the application pre-registration form for foreign applicants or not? So no, you don't have to fill any form. This you have to send your CV, and with a police clearance certificate, your educational certificates, and your not original, you can just send them a copy of that is okay also. Your license as a practitioner. So this is a pinned question, and let's go. Most of the people are from India, Pakistan, and very less are from other developed countries, or we can say where salaries of doctors are much better than this part of the world. Bangladesh also I am receiving. So Logesh Silvam is saying, hello sir, I have recently completed my BDS course in India. Can I get a job in Maldives to practice there as a dentist? If yes, can you explain the procedure, please? So as I've told, that BDS people are working here, and you recently completed or you have completed for 10 years or 20 years, it doesn't make any difference. It's like you applied, there is a slot, and you got the chance. So you recently completed, definitely you will be having a license to practice as a dentist, so you can take a chance. Number one, can I get a job in? Yes, you can take a job, get a job. Even I have witnessed one doctor who was working here as a medical officer, and his wife was dentist. So dentist, he wanted her to be with her on the same island. So he was already appointed by ministry as a medical officer on another health center. Then he was working here for 4 or 5 months alone. Then he went to ministry, wrote an application to them that I want my wife as a dentist. If there is any opportunity in a tertiary care hospital where a dentist and medical officer both can work together, so me and my wife can both work together. So ministry, they were from Nepal, by the way, so ministry have appointed them, so they are working together. So they were not old, they were very young, 27 or 28 years old. So this is one of the random case which I am telling you. So next is okay, the one which I have already answered, I will not rephrase them again. So what is the salary of a specialist doctor, and what are the best tertiary care centers in Maldives for a specialist doctor? So it's a huge question, but let's start with the basic one. Salary of a specialist doctor. So the salary of a specialist doctor, if we just look at the consultant job offer sample of any consultant. There are grades of consultant everywhere: junior consultant, senior consultant, and let's look at the job offer letter, so I can give you the sum up. So here you can see there is a offer employment letter, and it's mentioned here for a consultant basic salary per month is 30,990 rupiah. Service allowance per month is 425 rupiah. It's a local currency, I told before and now. Is per day 425. So you have to multiply 425 with the 30 or 31 or 28. In case of any emergency, attending on an on-call after normal working hours, service allowance will be given as 530. So 100 rupiah will be increased if you come here for an emergency. Accommodation will be provided by the employer in the event where employer is unable to provide accommodation. An accommodation allowance of rupiah 7,000 Maldivian rupiah will be given. So include this also. And food allowance is 2,400 rupiah. Total salary of consultant, if we sum up with this, it is 56,290 MVR. So the government pay scale is fixed regardless of how many years of experience you have. You are not allowed to practice in private sector, but there will be zero tax you have to pay on your salary. So on-call roundups 530 MVR, you have to multiply with 30 days. Each on-call day you get 530 MVR plus 105 as an extra, because you regardless of how many hours you spend in the hospital. So air ticket will be refunded, $400 will be given, and 50% of will be given plus 100. If your air ticket is around $300, you will be getting that. So there we can, now we got the salary, right? The basic salary for the doctor. We can convert it into US dollars. 56,290 in MVR into USD. So this is turned up to be 3,644.32 US dollars currently. Today is 28 Feb. So 3,644.32, and if you get some overtime, it can be reached to $4,000 a month. So this is the salary we can convert into Indian rupiah now. Into Indian rupiah. Indian rupees, it is 2,74,405 Indian rupee. Convert into Pakistani rupee. It says 6,47,865 Pakistani rupee. Convert into Bangladeshi taka. 3,13,721 Bangladeshi taka. So this is salary. So hope you got your answer. So what are the best tertiary care centers in Maldives for a specialist doctor? Again, ministry has appointed specialist doctors on different islands. As in my previous video, I told that these islands are like clusters, different clusters where they have bunch of islands together, and that makes it a province, or you can in our country we call it province, different small cities. So here island, it's called atoll. So there can be an atoll hospital which is on the atoll island, which is a chief island of all other small islands, which we call district. So the big island, and that island they can be have one tertiary care hospital. There are 1,290 islands, and 300 of them are inhabited, and they can make 30 at all hospitals, or 20 or 15. I don't know exact, but there are tertiary care hospitals which they appoint specialists on regular basis. And if you talk about private, there are 3 hospitals in Mali city, which I know. One is called ADK Hospital, which has good list of specialists. One is called Treetop Hospital. Both of them you can search on the Google search, and they hiring a very good salary, and in working environment is good. You can try your chance there. So best is where you can work comfortably, I believe that. So talk about best is actually anyone who is coming outside of their country to hunt a job is maybe fed up of the system, or may want to earn more, want to taste the different system of health sector, or want to get high salary. If both of them you want, then where you are, if you got comfortable somewhere, that is best for you. So this I told you. Next question is, please make more video about lifestyle there and more insight of working environment. So the previous question was asked about by Awais Memon, and that this is asked by Flash Dose. Okay, so Flash Dose is asking about more videos about lifestyle there and more insight of working environment. So I have made another channel, Dr. Waqas Vlogs. You can see the lifestyle other than working environment, and more insight of working environment. So working environment is okay, this is a pretty big question. Working environment is you will be having office. It is called administration office, like every health center is having, and that office will be having appointed health manager there and a political manager there. Health manager will be managing the duty rota of all the staff, making it, updating it. And health manager will be receiving any complaints from the people of island, maybe through political manager, or maybe the council here directly, regarding any malpractice, or someone got complaint. Like, patients are same everywhere, wherever we work. They will come, whatever the situation is going on with them, they don't have true understanding, and they will assume, and maybe they will come up to the counter, and health manager will have to deal this kind of things. Some of health managers have courses in medicine and understand medicine also, because many of them you will see working here for many years. So if they will see a doctor prescribing more antibiotics, which is not usually practiced, local practice. We all know that one is local practice and one is the standard, which we know from the books, from the research or journals. So local practice, if health manager will see some difference in the doctor practice other than local practice, if he is this much keen to understand or having understanding of the medicine, then he can discuss with you and maybe have your opinion regarding that. So there is one health manager. Second is political manager. A political manager have some power in ministry, and regarding transferring of staff, getting more new staff or doctors from ministry, or any other issues going on, which are like maybe some disputes or conflicts among staff, or some complaints will be dealt by political manager. And then there will be senior staff nurses, and if the health center is 24-hour, then if you have 3 doctors, the rota will be like 8 to 4, and then within 1 hour break, so 7 hours duty, and then 4 to 12, and then 12 to 8. If there is any patient, they will call the 3rd doctor who is on night duty. If not, you will be just sleeping all night and the day is free. So if there is 2 doctors, then the morning one will come 8 to 4 with 1 hour break, and the evening one will come from 4 to 12. And if and that doctor will be on the same night, he will be on call, and in the morning he will be free. If patient come, they will call the evening doctor, and the next week it will be same for the one who did morning last week will do evening and with the night call. This is some insight regarding working hours. Regarding consultant working hours, it's same 8 hours daily including 1 hour break, 6 days a week. Fridays and national holidays are off, and you are not allowed to travel between islands except with permission from hospital. You have to inform the hospital before leaving, and you can take emergency leaves and family responsibility leaves also, which are 10 days. You can take up to 10 days family responsibility leaves and emergency leaves, extendable with prior documented written permission from MOH and hospital. So you just have to write an application to your manager, and they will sign and you can get it. Only in case of family sickness you have to provide medical report. Definitely everywhere you have to provide. You deposit 1 month basic salary insurance before leaving the country, refunded on coming back. So basic salary means like you here actually the salary will be given after you have finished your month. So there is 1 month paid leave. So what they mean is you have 1 month paid leave. If you leave for the vacation, when you come back, your salary will be already in your account. So that is so after completion of 12 months work, so you can get 1 month paid leave, and there is circumcision leave also. If somebody got circumcised here on the island, you can get a 5-day circumcision leave for a male Muslim son, providing a medical certificate, birth certificate. That's very good. And there is Ramadan allowance also for the Muslims. If some Muslim is working here and they are providing Ramadan allowance, which is like 15 to 20% of the salary, which is very good. If the doctor wishes, anytime during the first 3 months after notifying the hospital, can end the contract anytime. After probation is finished, doctor wishes to resign, have to provide a resignation letter with 3 months notice prior, so they can get another doctor there. So regarding circumcision, how they celebrate, because I told you it's Muslim country, and circumcision is very big party for them. I have made a video about that, and I did not upload it yet, but I will upload it, and you can see how it is celebrated in some of the islands. Very good way. Anyways, let's go to the next question. Okay, so flash dose, I have answered your question very nicely, I think. And if you, I don't know more insight of working, what do you mean? And okay, next question. Very informative and helpful, thank you. That is by Fahad Masood and Salman Suhab. I answered you. Okay, flash dose again. Very informative video. Was looking for this for quite a long. Please guide about specialist salary. Okay, I already answered. Thanks a lot, Dr. Saab, for such a detailed information. You're welcome. Next. Any other question? Any other question? Okay. So there are so many questions I've been taking, and I've answered all of them almost. It's very nice. I usually so let's go to my Facebook. So many of people I have. Okay, so here is Al-Amin Habib from Facebook. Al-Amin Habib is saying, Assalamu alaikum brother, I am a fellow doctor from Bangladesh. I saw your video on YouTube and it was very informative. I was wondering, do you know anyone from Bangladesh working there? If I could get her Facebook ID, it would be super helpful. Thanks a lot, regards and best wishes for you and your family. So Dr. Al-Amin Habib, actually if you see, there are many Bangladeshi doctors working here, and some of them are, I know them personally, and I will ask them, any one of them who is willing to help you, definitely I will send you one, definitely. Okay, Al-Amin Habib. So got it. Next is Abdul Amanullah Memon. Salam brother, I am Dr. Amanullah, have completed my 4-year FCPS residency in pediatrics from Niche, Karachi. Can I have a job in Maldives? What can they offer in salary package? So Dr. Amanullah Memon, I have already answered about regarding specialist salary, and if you are hired by them at any hospital or ministry, you can always negotiate through email if you got selected. And okay, next question, Gopinath. So Gopinath, hi sir, Ginny, any vacancy or opening for medical officer in Maldives? Is there any opening? So for this, you have to keep looking, visiting the website, keep checking the online agencies. One of them I mentioned was Doctors for Maldives group, and I can see there was 20 vacancies of nurses posted on 25th February of this month, and they have posted a urologist job, and there was 2 ENT job on 20th February, and then in January I think there were 20 medical officer job also. So keep looking, and you will just follow and you will get them. I am not any agency, I am just making a video for the just to guide people. So then we have Marit Shah. Just saw your comment that you can provide online medical. Hey, assalamu alaikum, can you help me please in this regard? I will be no, I okay, this is I am not any agency, I don't provide any medical related job. I am a medical officer already working here for 1.5 years. Okay, Farzana Shairia. Okay, again medical officer job, you have to follow the agencies. Next is right. Next hai. So Nargis Fatima, hi, I hope you will be fine. Saw your video regarding as MO in Maldives. Firstly, sorry to bother you, no problem. I need some guideline. I have not have any experience after house job. How much chances do get job there? How much time they will take to proceed on urgent basis? Thanks. So Miss Nargis Fatima, actually the thing is, you have to have something on board, like you are working on some private or government hospital when you send them your CV. If you are sending them CV which says that you are sitting at home, you have no experience, that is not a good choice, that is not a good option. So chances are there, but mostly they are asking for the person who is experienced and working. Chances are there you can get selected, because not every island having tertiary care hospital. You have to do basic management as a medical officer, which you can do, house officer can do. So chances are there, pretty much chances are there. So they take time. How much time they take proceed? This is a huge debate over it. You have to understand that here they work 5 working days. Within 5 working days are here, Sunday to Thursday, and so many people, so many doctors and nurses, paramedics they are handling. So it take quite a lot, like maybe months, 3 months, 2 months. Even you apply through an agency, will take 2 months. So then we have Muhammad Waqar. Assalamu alaikum. Saw your video regarding medical officer jobs in Maldives. Very helpful video. So great job. I need to talk to you for a bit. Okay, so you need to talk to me. Then we have Rayan and Khurshid Qasba. Greeting Dr. Waqas. Hope you and your family are fine. Alhamdulillah, we are fine. This is Rayan Khurshid from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Yes, brother. I recently watched your video on jobs in Maldives. First of all, I would like to extend my thanks to you. Thank you. Welcome. Your video was very enlightening. I tried contacting the agency you mentioned in the video, but they are saying that 1 year experience is needed after an internship. Your help would be much appreciated. Okay. So here comes the thing. If they are saying that 1 year experience of internship you need, that means that there is very high competition. People who are applying there, they are the one who are actually have got very good experience, and it's the CV is getting down. So one thing more, there are other people who can offer you job directly. Like if you are confident enough, definitely you are applying for a job, you are confident enough to work as a doctor after completing your internship, which you believe, so you must be given a chance. So the chance you can get by yourself. If agency got pile of people who have got more experience, then you have to look for yourself. So what you can do is you can send directly mails to the hospitals. You can send emails to the resorts. Yes, there are resorts. Many resorts are here. Thousands of resorts are here. People are working and they have doctor also. So as a resort doctor, you can apply by yourself. So here I can introduce you a very good website, which is called jobs-maldives.com. jobs-maldives.com. So jobs@maldives.com is yeah, it is very good website, and you can see now there will be job vacancies. If you see at the left side of the this website, you will find that there are categories for everyone who want to work here in Maldives for, as a doctor. So I will advise you to look into this website. They are regularly posting. Even they have their Viber group also, in which they share. From that you can get their direct numbers and try for yourself. Get your chances. And I hope you can. I hope I have answered each one of you. There is one or two emails also. So I can see on jobsmaldives.com, if you click on doctors category, medical officers or doctors, what is coming there is you have to look for. And next is an email. So with this email we will close up, and there will be a big announcement in the end, which I have made my mind right now. So this is, I think, same Rayan Khurshid from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I recently watched your video in Maldives. This video was very enlightening. Can you help regarding experience, if it's needed or not? I told you, go to the job-maldives.com, job-maldives.com, and then you can try for yourself and keep getting experience in any hospital. Any tertiary care private hospital will help you getting job overseas. So the announcement is, I have decided so many people want to talk to me, so I will be posting one in the future. I will be posting one Zoom session, and you guys have to join my page, Sehat Badi Nemat, and there is a group, Sehat Badi Nemat group also, as medical officer doctors are there, and there I will post a link, and I will post a link on my Facebook also, and I will post here on my channel also. So subscribe my channel, and next video we'll try to make a poll that regarding what you want me to make a video about regarding nurses, how one can get a resort doctor job, and how doctor job in resort is like, and are there any specialists in resort, and third is about visit an island, how an island look like, how is life there. So I will make a poll, and the poll which gets more number will be get selected, and the next one I will finish one by one. So have a great quality of life. Hope I have answered all of your questions. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Shukriya.